In the 1920s, a scientist named Walter Kilner experimented with a dark blue chemical dye called dicyanin, which he poured into a glass screen. And when he gazed through the screen, he found that he was able to see the aura of the person standing in front of him. He was able to see the person's aura because the specific color of the dye blocked out a large portion of the white light spectrum and left only a small portion, which helped concentrate his perception of the aura. However, for a very brief period of time back around 2010, the public could buy the Dicyanin version, but no more. Dicyanin is a blue dye. It is not a drug. It is not physically dangerous. It is not poison. However, you cannot buy it. The chemical company that makes Dicyanin assigns a security code to its customers. To see how high Dicyanin is classified, we asked a government chemist if he could order some. His security code allowed him to buy all the LSD or heroin or cocaine he wanted. But when he requested Dicyanin dye, he was told he was not cleared high enough to obtain it. Dicyanin dye has special properties. If you make a window using 2 panes of glass with Dicyanin dye between, and look into it, you can see the astral world directly. Now, if you are a psychic or meditation student, you can see the astral world too, but this dye allows anyone to see it. Now you see why it has a higher security rating than heroin. If people could buy this simple dye, they could prove to themselves and anyone else the existence of another plane of reality. Private researchers used Dicyanin dye before the government locked it away in the 1940s. The starlight sensors, created as the predecessor to modern night vision goggles that used red instead of green, caused soldiers to see demons and other entities, which caused a few problems. This gives an approximation of the time when the decisions were being made to censor all available knowledge so that new generations could be programmed into a belief system that was manufactured by capitalism, which has no relation to true reality. What's the deal with Dicyanin and Dr. Kilner? Dr. Walter Kilner was a distinguished British physician in the late 19th and early 20th centuries who became one of the first radiologists in practice. In 1911, he published The Human Atmosphere, a book about his experiences and observations using a certain coal tar dye to enhance the ability to see the human aura. The book was reissued in 1921, shortly after his death, as The Human Aura, and remains today one of the best collections of detailed, candid observations of the aura available in the West. Beyond that audience, if it were possible to offer definite, physical, reproducible proof of the existence of the human aura, there might be a revolution in scientific thinking about our own nature, the nature of the universe, and our place within it. What if you could see energies naturally? What if everyone knew on a fundamental level that we were all part of something bigger? What are your thoughts? Would you try these glasses? Leave your opinion in the comments below and be sure to subscribe for more little-known knowledge.